Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make money on YouTube. First, what you want to do is go to Google and type in Google Analytics or YouTube Analytics and scroll down and you'll see there's two YouTube Analytics. You want to click on the bottom one. And then just wait for it to load. And now you should go to channel. And click monetization. And what you need to do is accept YouTube partner program terms. You have to make an AdSense account, so whenever you get sent money, that's where it can go. And what type of ads you want, monetization preferences, so you can get money whenever they see your people watch ads. And then you will get reviewed after reaching 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. Okay? And then once you do that, YouTube will automatically review your channel, and then you can put ads on your video.